Gentle background music begins as a peaceful morning unfolds in a bright, friendly neighborhood. The sunlight glows warmly across rooftops, trees sway lightly in the breeze, and inside one cozy home, a family is about to experience something completely unexpected.
Inside the house, everything feels calm and normal. Breakfast time is near, and a smell of fresh food fills the air. Suddenly, loud voices break the silence from outside.
A group of seagulls flies overhead, circling and calling loudly as if they are arguing over something important.
The sound is repetitive and funny, almost like they are chanting the same word again and again.
The birds continue their loud chorus, echoing through the sky and grabbing everyone's attention.
At that very moment, the doorbell rings, adding to the excitement of the morning.
Breakfast arrives at the door, packed neatly and ready to be enjoyed.
The family gathers quickly, excited to eat. Chairs move, plates are placed, and the table fills with warm, delicious food.
Hunger grows stronger as everyone prepares to eat, but something feels slightly off.
A moment of confusion appears when one meal seems to be missing.
The table is checked again and again, but the missing item is nowhere to be seen.
Then, suddenly, something unusual is noticed inside one of the meals.
What should have been an ordinary breakfast turns into a moment of surprise.
A tiny, unexpected guest appears, small, green, and alive.
The discovery shocks everyone. This is no ordinary situation.
The tiny creature is carefully lifted and examined.
It becomes clear that this is not just any small animal.
The realization slowly forms. It is a baby sea turtle.
A creature that belongs to the ocean has somehow arrived in the most unusual place.
Concern replaces confusion. The focus shifts from surprise to care.
The idea of helping the small turtle begins to grow.
Questions arise. Where did it come from? And what should be done next?
A decision is made to care for the turtle, but only for a short time.
The goal becomes clear. Protect it now, return it later.
A name is chosen for the tiny visitor, giving it a sense of belonging, even if temporary. End of chapter 24.
With a name comes connection, and with connection comes responsibility.
Later in the day, preparations begin to create a safe and comfortable space.
The environment must match what the turtle needs: warmth, water, and sand.
Every small detail matters when caring for a creature from the wild.
The setup is completed, simple but suitable for temporary care.
The turtle explores slowly, adjusting to its new surroundings.
Curiosity replaces fear as it moves gently through its space.
The first day ends with calm and quiet.
A bond has already begun to form.
The next morning arrives, and everything seems peaceful again.
But peace does not always last.
A moment of absence turns into worry.
The small turtle is suddenly nowhere to be found.
Panic begins to rise as the search starts.
Every corner is checked, every possibility considered.
Then, a clue appears, something left behind that suggests what may have happened.
The idea of a bird taking the turtle becomes a real concern.
Determination replaces fear.
The search expands beyond the home.
Time passes, and hope begins to fade.
Then suddenly, a familiar sound is heard again.
The same loud voice from earlier echoes through the air.
Recognition sparks action.
The search becomes focused and urgent.
Movement, energy, and determination lead the way.
At last, the missing turtle is found.
Relief fills the moment.
Safety is restored, but an important realization follows.
The turtle cannot stay.
The journey shifts towards something more meaningful.
Returning the turtle to its true home becomes the final goal.
The ocean waits, vast and endless.
Letting go is not easy.
But sometimes, care means saying goodbye.
The turtle moves toward the water.
The waves welcome it back.
In the distance, others appear, its own kind. The journey is complete.
A quiet lesson remains.
Helping others, even for a short time, can make a lasting difference.
And sometimes, love means letting go.
Before we end, here is a question for you. It's the cost of work.
Think carefully and remember what you heard earlier.
What does the seagull say?
If you know the answer, rate it in the comments.
Keep learning, keep listening, and keep growing.
See.
This story is brought to you by Chloe Daily English, where learning English is simple, engaging, and full of imagination.
And as this story gently comes to an end, take a quiet moment to reflect on everything you just experienced, from a simple, peaceful morning to a surprising discovery, from worry and searching to courage, care, and finally letting go. Stories like this are not just for entertainment, they also help you feel emotions, understand situations, and learn language in a natural and meaningful way.
Now it's your time to practice. Try to retell this story in your own words, even if you only remember small parts. You can start simple, describe the beginning, talk out what happened in the middle, and explain how the story ended. Speaking out loud, even slowly, helps your confidence grow stronger every day.
You can also practice by learning new words from the story. Think about words like ocean, rescue, search, and goodbye. Try making your own sentences with them. The more you use new vocabulary, the more natural it will feel when you speak English in real life.
Another great idea is to imagine a different ending, or a new adventure. What do you think happens next? Does the turtle meet new friends? Does the bird learn something too? Creating your own version of the story is a powerful way to improve both your imagination and your language skills.
Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It's about trying, making mistakes, and improving step by step. Every time you listen, read, or speak, you are moving forward, even if it feels slow sometimes.
Stay curious, stay patient, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Language learning becomes easier when you have fun and stay consistent.
We are so happy you joined us today. Keep practicing, keep listening carefully, and keep building your confidence with every story.
We'll be back soon with another exciting and meaningful lesson just for you.
Until next time, keep learning with Chloe Daily English, where every story helps you grow a little more.